Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is Shrove Tuesday or Pancake Tuesday, or in Irish, Máirt na hInide. And it's the day that we have pancakes. So that's why it's called Pancake Tuesday. But back in the old days, they used to have to use up all their leavened flour and sugar and things that they were going to not need for Lent. So that's where the tradition of making pancakes came from. So we keep that up here in Ireland as a Catholic tradition, and today we feast on pancakes. Tomorrow will be Ash Wednesday, which is the beginning of Lent, where the palms from Palm Sunday are burnt and the ashes are used to make a cross on the foreheads of the faithful who come to Mass and get their ashes on Ash Wednesday. And making the sign of the cross on our foreheads with the ash is a reminder to us that from dust we came and onto dust we shall return. So the priest says something similar to dust thou art and onto dust thou shalt return. And Ash Wednesday, as I said, is the first day in Lent, and Lent is a season of fasting in the Christian church. And on Ash Wednesday and Good Friday you have one main meal which is meatless and two coalitions, I think they're called. So your breakfast maybe and your supper would be two small meals, and then your midday meal is a bigger meal, and you would have no food in between, and definitely no meat on Ash Wednesday and Good Friday. And in Irish Catholicism we have never fallen away from the meatless Fridays, but if you're trying to be a practicing Catholic in Ireland, you are supposed to abstain from meat on Fridays. And if there is a Friday where you can't abstain, where just say if you're at a wedding or something, then you abstain from something else on that day or make a different sacrifice that day. And especially during Lent, we're asked to fast from meat on Fridays. Then the three pillars of Lent are prayer, fasting and almsgiving. In addition to fasting, many also choose to abstain from other comforts during Lent. And the Easter Triduum then is the Holy Thursday, Good Friday and Holy Saturday. Now the dates on that picture that I have up there on the screen, that's from a different year. This year, Easter Sunday is on April 9th. And the reason we fast is to commemorate the 40 days that Jesus spent in the desert, fasting and praying. And we're preparing our hearts and our souls for the death and resurrection of Jesus at Easter time. And let's get back to the pancakes now, because Pancake Tuesday, this is a day for feasting and just getting rid of all the crisps and the chocolate and stuff that you don't want hanging around the house during Lent. So I'm just going to show you quickly how I made all my pancakes last night so that the kids could have them for breakfast this morning. And they'll be having pancakes at school, and then there's pancakes being given out in the shop after school, and then they'll probably want more pancakes later on tonight. So luckily enough that they love pancakes. So here's just a quick clip of me making my pancakes. I wish you all a very blessed Lent, and I will, as I said before, I will remember all my viewers in my prayers. And thank you so much for watching, and thank you to all my new subscribers. You're so welcome to my channel. God bless you all.